Elias, hello. It's very nice to see you here at Sibos in Frankfurt 2025. Tell me, please, what brings you here at the conference?
Dimitri, pleasure having this conversation with you. It's the place to be when you talk about the future of payments, being for responsible banking, but also being the new way we do payments. And quite excited to see so many innovative topics coming across as you go to the conferences.
Today I heard at some of the panels, I heard about AI, and I also heard about data analytics, about data. The data is some kind of a new oil for the economy. I heard and I read an article several days ago that companies are looking at the data as something with a fear that all of their business model can be destroyed because the data will show and prove that you have to do something else. Did you have any kind of experience when you came to the company, showed the data, build it, and then everything just changed in the business model?
So let me tackle first the AI. Yes, everybody's talking about AI. You can't have a sentence without pronouncing the word AI. And I think each one of us getting in has a quota of number of word AI you must mention. If you don't mention it, you lose it. So everybody's talking about AI. We talk a lot. The down-to-earth AI is yet to happen. The whole agentic AI, agentic commerce, you need a lot of data, and that's where it comes. So I work for Capgemini, and I take care of the research for Capgemini, the Capgemini Research Institute, and we analyze a lot the value of data. To your point, data is the new oil in the sense that today any conversation is driven by who you are, who I am, and we leave data behind us. Open banking, open finance, and all the demographic data shows who we are and what was this conversation. Being a C2C conversation, consumer to consumer, a B2B, a B2C, and so on. So by all means, anyone that does not have the right data or does not have access to the right data cannot take the right decision. And if I were to make it on a more macro level, we are in such instability on a geopolitical that not having the right data real time and making a decision could lead to major consequences. So data is really the oil, the new oil of doing business.
Many companies are afraid of data, start to use data as the core of their business because it's very expensive. I read that some of the companies are even paying 3 times more, 3x for a good consultant company that will help them to build data. And I have an impression that entry ticket in data analytics for your company is quite expensive. Is it true, or?
So I wouldn't say data is at the heart of everything. I wouldn't say anybody is bringing consultant to buy data. It's more to enrich data. In the sense that everybody has data. Banks have everything about everybody. The problem is they have it in a very siloed element, and they have it only on what they are receiving. And they depend on the quality of whoever entered the data. While with the whole open banking and soon open finance, there is a lot of data available outside. So the struggle that all banks have today is how can I enrich, how can I consolidate, clean, and enrich my data with external sources. And that's where consultant organization like ours, Capgemini, can bring in the knowledge of let's clean your data, let's protect, by the way, privacy is a very essential element. How can we make sure that we protect the data? How we can comply, always be compliant with the LGDP, being the protection of the data, and how can we make sure that privacy is at most, consolidation is second, and enrichment is third, and finally there's a call to action.
Last question. Do European AI Act will reshape the market of data analytics or not? Or it will just consolidate it? What do you think?
I wouldn't call it consolidated. It will, looking at the word, I think it will put some order.
Okay.
We are in the far west of data today. Everybody does whatever they want. And what I really like in how the European Union comes with, they always come in saying, guys, I let the kids play for some time, now time to put some rules. And that's where it comes. We did that with the PSD2 rule some time back that came to open banking. DORA came to play, FIDA came to play, now AI Act. we're going to put some orders. And it's important as the business mature to put some rails, some guardrails to make sure that it doesn't grow like the Far West. And it will be the interesting new horizon about it.